everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve check if a number is divisible by 8. So in school time we all have studied divisibility rule of 8, which states that if a number is divisible by 8, then the last three characters, the last three numbers of that particular number will also be divisible by 8. But what if the length of the integer, the number, is less than 3? In that case, we'll just use the table of 8, multiple of 8. As in example 1, the length of the number is 2, which is less than 3. So that rule won't be applicable over here. And we'll just simply divide it and check what is the output. But in example 2, okay, it's a very big number, integer number. See the last three numbers, 5, 5, and 5. We just need to focus here. If this last three numbers, 5, 5, 5, is divisible by 8, in that case, the entire number, entire big number, will also be divisible by 8. Otherwise, not. So how we will apply it? Let's see. First, I will store the length of the number, length of string s, and we'll check if this length is less than 3, which means the number is 1 digit or 2 digit. In that case, if integer s, it's completely divisible by 8. Integer s is divisible by 8. In that case, we'll return 1. If not, we'll return -1, because we are given in the question that if the number is not divisible by 8, we have to return -1. Okay, that handles for 1 digit or 2 digit number. But how do we handle the number which is 3 digit or more? Okay, so in that case, we'll check first thing. Well, as I mentioned, we only need to focus on the last three digits. Last three digits. So we'll store the last three digit of that number in a variable. So it will start from the -3, last three character, and go till very end. So this, using the slicing method, will store the last three characters, last three numbers in the variable x. Now, first thing, if this integer of x in integer format, this x, because since s is a string, if this is divisible by 8, if this is divisible by 8, okay, completely, and leaves no remainder, okay, in that case we will return 1. Otherwise, we will return -1. We will return -1, and that is it. It should do a job pretty effortlessly. Let me submit it and test. Yeah, it does the job. It does the job pretty effortlessly, as I mentioned. Okay, so as you can see, this is an easy question, and it is much easier than easy, I should say, because we have studied this concept in the school days. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.